Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the host file is not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you're having issues accessing certain web pages or websites, and this is where you normally come across an issue with the host file, might be blocking certain domains. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve that issue without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, or come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Once it's done, it should say Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to go ahead and type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Again, exactly how you see it on my screen here. Hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. At this point, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And hopefully at this point your issue should have been resolved. If you're still having an issue, I'd recommend turning off if you're using a proxy server or a VPN to connect to the internet. So in order to determine that, you want to open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, or come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select network and internet. And on the right side, select VPN. If there's any VPN connections up here, you want to turn them off or disable them. And then if you go click the back arrow, you can go down to the proxy information, so click on that. And you want to make sure automatically detect settings is toggled to the on position. So pretty straightforward. So if it's currently turned off, you want to go ahead and turn that on. And that's pretty much it. One final thing you can attempt here as well, if you open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, you'll come back with command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, select yes, and there's going to be one final command I want you guys to type in here, and it's going to reset the NetBIOS cache. So type in NBTSTAT, again, NBTSTAT, exactly how you see it on my screen, space -R, and hit enter. Once you're done with that, just close out of here and then attempt to access the web page or website you're having the problem with, and hopefully the issue has again been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.